Bell Direct Pricing explained what you get for your money. Bell Direct is a Canadian online brokerage offering trading in stocks, ETFs and options. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another trading platform, but its pricing structure is tailored to different trading styles and account sizes. For self-directed investors, trades are typically priced per transaction. Standard equity trades can range from $95 to $95 per trade depending on volume and account type. This ensures casual investors don't overpay while frequent traders have scalable options. The platform also offers managed portfolios with different fee structures. For example, advisory or managed services might charge a percentage of assets under management, usually around 0.510%, which includes ongoing portfolio rebalancing and professional insights. In addition to trading fees, Bell Direct provides value-added tools such as research reports, real-time market data, and educational resources. These help investors make informed decisions without extra cost beyond their chosen plan. In conclusion, Bell Direct Pricing is designed to fit both casual and active investors. Transaction fees are clear and scalable, managed portfolios include professional support, and research tools enhance your investing decisions. Understanding these costs ensures you get the right value for your trading needs.